This Amway Home product demonstration will be performed by Home Care Product Develop Technician Ronald Jackson. To perform this demonstration, you will need Amway Home LOC Kitchen Cleaner Concentrate, a blue Sharpie permanent marker, a section of light-colored kitchen countertop laminate with a matte finish, a competitive kitchen cleaner, and paper towel. This demonstration reinforces the importance of product concentration and flexible product strength when confronting impossible stains. Begin the demonstration by making 2 X marks on the laminate countertop section with the blue Sharpie. Next, apply a generous amount of competitive cleaner to one section of paper towel. Using the saturated paper towel, attempt to remove the X mark on the countertop. The mark may smear a little, but will not be removed, even with extensive rubbing. Now apply some LOC kitchen cleaner concentrate onto a second paper towel and begin to rub the other X mark. The entire stain will be completely removed after just a few seconds of wiping. This demonstration shows that no matter how much regular strength surface cleaner you use, it still will not remove permanent marker from the countertop. Amway Home LOC Kitchen Cleaner is intended to be diluted for most cleaning jobs, but in extreme situations, the concentrated product has the power to remove one of the toughest stains imaginable.